Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today I want to talk about some songs that will be really great ones for you to work on your D minor chord, as of course incorporating chords that you've learned before as well. I think probably my favorite of all of the songs that are used in D minor is the 505 by the Arctic Monkeys. D minor and A minor for the whole song. Relatively simple changes. You've got a bit of time to work on your strumming patterns and stuff, so that's definitely one that I'd recommend. Ain't No Sunshine, really beautiful kind of classic song. It's got a bit of D minor action in it as well. All of Your Love, John Mayall on the Blues Breakers, if you're into a kind of a slightly more minor bluesy sort of thing, although that's got a time change, a feel change, which some of you might find a little awkward if you're not familiar with the song. Beautiful song though. Fallen by Alicia Keys. Nice kind of ballad, so very slow. If you're worried about the speedier changes, that could be a really good one. One of the ones, my personal favourite ones, is Chocolate Jesus by Tom Waits. Beautiful, very funny song. It's got a little, I think it's got an E major in it as well as an A minor and a D minor, so ever so slightly different chord changes. A Girl Like You by Edwyn Collins is a fantastic song if you want to work on A minor, D minor and E minor together. Although the changes are a little bit tricky. Now, I found it when I was doing my practice for the D minor, it was one that I liked doing. I was mucking it up a lot because I found the changes pretty challenging, but actually it was really good for me, and I felt like it kind of forced my changes along. So you might find that maybe not the first few sessions, but a little bit later in the week, that's one that you want to have a bit of a go at if you're the type of dude that likes to push yourself a bit. Because in your practice you'll find that you kind of, if you really try really hard to do something that's like you're almost failing, some people really like that and other people just find it really frustrating. Your guitar journey's got to be fun. Right, that's the first of all, the most important thing that you want to be aware of when you're doing your practice is keeping things fun and enjoying it and watching yourself progress and all of that sort of stuff. Is trying to keep yourself motivated. A lot of people don't make it much past this stage. So right at this point, you really want to be trying to find songs that you really like. There's loads more songs than this. There'll be a list on the website page for this very song. So if you're assuming you're over on the website, just have a look below. If you're not over on the website, have a look below for a link over to the website and you'll find all of the list of songs there. There'll be some songs in my songbooks. There'll be some songs in my beginner song course app. There'll be play along songs on the website. It's going to be all sorts of different media for you to choose from depending on what it is that you like and what you got. But definitely finding songs that you like that use these chords is going to be the key thing for helping you stay motivated. It's a really big deal. So hopefully there's enough songs here to keep you digging it, and I'll see you for some practice very soon. Bye.